आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।
From the Republic Media Network headquarters, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate. Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
On the show tonight, where is Imran Khan? Is he dead? Is Imran Khan dead? Or is Imran Khan alive? We can't say for certain tonight. At 9 o'clock this evening, nationalist Indian Muslims will be taking on the Pakistanis for trying to interfere in the Ayodhya Dhwajarohan ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, is Imran Khan dead? Has Imran Khan been killed by the ISI? Is that why Imran Khan has not been contactable and no news of him has been there? Nobody is allowed to meet him for 3 weeks. I'm not going by a visual that's put out in the social media because it's not authenticated of Imran Khan's body. We hope he's alive. We hope he's not dead. But if Imran Khan is alive and if Imran Khan is not dead, then the responsibility for telling the world that the former Prime Minister of Pakistan has not been killed yet by another army general, this time Mullah Munir, that responsibility is that of Mullah Munir and Mullah Munir alone. He must tell the world if Imran Khan is dead or Imran Khan is alive, but Mullah Munir is a coward. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm told Imran Khan's sister has been arrested. She's 71 years old. Mullah Munir is the biggest coward in the world. Imran Khan's sisters say they've not been able to get in touch with him for about 3 weeks. Ladies and gentlemen, Imran Khan, former Pakistan cricket captain, pace bowler, celebrity, former Prime Minister of Pakistan. Across Pakistan, the biggest issue is, where is Imran Khan? Has he been killed? Is it another political assassination carried out by the Pakistani army? And his fault was that he fought with the Pakistani army that once put him in his job. His fault, ladies and gentlemen, that he fought with the Americans. His fault, ladies and gentlemen, that he is the leader of the largest single party in Pakistan. And democracy is the biggest threat, as you know. The biggest single threat for these weak, fat and corpulent Pakistani military officers. Ladies and gentlemen, 58 seats in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa territory are Imran's. He's the single largest party there as well. The groundswell of support for Imran Khan is there. I'm no fan of Imran Khan. I don't like him. I don't like his position he took. I don't like his weak vacillation. I don't like the fact that he was just another puppet for the armies in Pakistan till he realized he's got to develop a spine. The moment he developed a spine, the generals who had given birth to his political career decided to cut him out. But regardless of that, Mullah Munir, you know Mullah Munir, the same guy who opens his briefcase like a shameless salesman before Donald Trump and says, "Look, Trump, this is the soil of my country and I'm going to sell my country to you." And Donald Trump looks interested, salivating at that suitcase. That same traveling salesman called Mullah Munir is now unable to answer whether Imran Khan has been killed by him or whether he intends to kill Imran Khan. He's not even clarifying. He is going around arresting 71-year-old sister of Imran Khan instead. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a problem here. On a serious note, if Imran Khan has been killed, Pakistan must be told. And if Imran Khan has not been killed yet, then Pakistan and Noreen, Alima and Uzma, his sisters, who have been assaulted and beaten and dragged by the hair, Mullah Munir, what a coward you are. You're afraid of Imran Khan, so you are asking your army to beat up his 71-year-old sisters. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not about the alleged custodial killing of Imran Khan. It's about the assault on his sisters. It's about the fact that this man, Mullah Munir, Asif Munir, is so weak that ahead of the 2024 general elections, the PTI symbol was taken away from Imran Khan. Leaders of his party were forced to fight his independence, but still they became the largest single group in the Pakistan Assembly with 93 seats. And Asif Munir has a personal grudge against Imran Khan. In 2018, Mullah Munir had become the ISI chief. 8 months later, Imran Khan had fired him. That was the shortest stint for a spy chief in Pakistan's history. On Imran Khan's insistence, Munir was replaced with Faiz Hamid. From that moment, Mullah Munir turned Imran Khan into his personal foe, which is why people are afraid that now that he's got an opportunity, and maybe with Donald Trump's support, or direct or indirect support, he's assassinated Imran Khan. Ladies and gentlemen, Imran did not support the traveling salesman Mullah Munir in his political and army career. Imran Khan, in fact, accused Mullah Munir of trying to destabilize the politics and governance in Pakistan. Imran Khan even said that Mullah Munir tried to kill me. By August 2022, Imran Khan was telling the army, history will blame you for what you did to the country. In Pakistan, no one talks to the army like that. No one. Not Bhutto, not Nawaz, not Zardari, but Imran did. And what happened after that? There was an assassination attempt on him. Shots were fired at him. For some time, at that point of time, there were visuals of him getting assaulted. He was pushed. He was beaten. Our former Prime Minister of Pakistan was being physically assaulted by his own country's army. And there was an assassination attempt on him. But the question is, that assassination attempt could have been a warning or an attempt that went wrong. But has he been assassinated this time? Ladies and gentlemen, the Pakistani army is petrified of Imran Khan. You see, Nawaz Sharif and the Sharif family are fattened by decades of corruption. They can be bought, and they have been bought. That's why Nawaz Sharif is quiet today. He came back, he knows he's not going to be alive for 1 hour if he takes on the army. But Imran Khan did try to fight back, and Munir is afraid that Imran Khan will expose the levels of corruption in Pakistan today. Ladies and gentlemen, you speak to any Pakistani, and I know if Pakistanis are watching this, they agree with me. They agree that a traveling American salesman called Mullah Munir is selling their country. And they agree that somewhere they are worried about whether Mullah Munir has killed or is about to kill Imran Khan. Things are coming to a boil in Pakistan. Chickens have come home to roost. But the only man running around like a scared chicken tonight, and he is, let me repeat once again, a very scared chicken. And that scared chicken has one name. And that name is Asif Munir. Let's debate.
जेल के बाहर काफी जोश खरोश है। ये आप देख सकते हैं मनाजिर, जेल का ताला टूटे गए। इमरान खान साहब के हवाले में हक में नारेबाजी हो रही है और बड़ी तादाद में इस वक्त धरने में शुरका मौजूद है।
Late into the night of 26th of November, a swarm of protesters backing Pakistan's former Prime Minister Imran Khan gathered outside Adiala jail in Rawalpindi. Slogans raised. Security ambushed and palpable anger on the streets. Members of Pakistan's Tehreek-e-Insaf demands information about their leader's condition.
इमरान खान आलम इस्लाम का लीडर है, पाकिस्तान का लीडर है और पिछले कई दिनों से की फैमिली की खवातीन जो उनकी बहनें हैं, उम्र रसीदा हैं, उनकी मुलाकात नहीं हो रही। इमरान खान इन जेल की सलाखों से बाहर आएगा और जब वो बाहर आएगा आप देखेंगे पाकिस्तान का नक्शा बदलेगा।
Earlier, Imran Khan's sister Alima Khan, Dr. Uzma and Noreen Niazi, along with senior party leaders, staged a sit-in protest near the jail. The demonstrations escalated after they waited for weeks for an update on the PTI chief, but received no word. On Republic's camera, Noreen Niazi's warning to the Shehbaz Sharif government.
जब तक इमरान खान से मुलाकात नहीं कराएंगे हम यहीं बैठे हैं और अगर इन्होंने कुछ ज्यादा किया, आज तो आपको पता है मेरे साथ बहुत सारे मेरे मुहाफिज आए हुए हैं, तो मेरा नहीं ख्याल वो छोड़ेंगे। अगर किसी ने आज कुछ किया कोई नहीं बचेगा।
In a bid to prevent the crowd from moving towards the main gate, police took Imran's sister Alima Khan into custody. It was on the 9th of May in 2023 when Pakistan Rangers had stormed into the court and had taken Imran Khan into custody. This was the exact moment. The situation escalated when the party failed to establish contact for more than 2 weeks.
3 हफ्ते होने को आए हैं कि किसी बहन की मुलाकात नहीं हुई अपने भाई से। पूरी पाकिस्तानी कौम हमें देख रही है कि हम हक की आवाज बुलंद किए खड़े हैं, हम पीछे बिल्कुल नहीं हटेंगे।
With tension hitting a boiling point in Pakistan, pressure mounts on the Munir army and Shehbaz Sharif government.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a matter of concern whether Imran Khan has been killed by Asif Munir. We don't know yet, but there is concern about whether he's been killed or whether there's an attempt at assassinating Imran Khan. But I can tell you one thing, that it's become a headline, a viral headline all over the world right now. And we have a right to know whether Imran Khan has been killed or whether Imran Khan is still alive. We cannot say for certain now whether Imran Khan is alive, because there have been images, there have been news reports, several handles have put out the news that Asif Munir has already killed Imran Khan. But what we can say is that his sisters are being arrested, his sisters are being beaten up, physically assaulted and dragged by the hair. Horrendous treatment out there by the Pakistani army. I don't think General Bakshi's video is clear. General Bakshi, are you there? Can you hear me, sir?
Hi.
Sir? Okay, General Bakshi seems not to be very clear in that image out there. We'll connect with him again. I'd like to get a clarification from Abdul Samad Yaqub of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, who's with us today. He's looking very concerned. We don't know yet about the condition of his leader. Abdul Samad Yaqub ji, is Imran Khan alive? Where is Imran?
Well, there is no news. There is nothing can be said with the surety or with there is uncertainty. I mean, the historical record of the Pakistan shows that yes, Bhutto was hanged, Benazir was assassinated, Liaquat Ali Khan was assassinated. Our apprehensions are very clear and solid.
What is your apprehension, that they can kill him?
Apprehensions are clear that there was an assassination attempt on Imran Khan before, and we had multiple times shown our concern that he could be assassinated.
So there are reports that he has. I'd like to get General Bakshi for a minute because he's at a outside event and I pulled him out for this. But I just want a word from you, General Bakshi. Do you think Imran Khan is alive? Could he have been killed? His own party is concerned that he has been assassinated.
Arnab, I am extremely apprehensive. You know what they have done to their prime ministers in a row, starting with Liaquat Ali Khan. Don't forget the fact when, Ziaul Haq had thrown Zulfikar Ali Bhutto behind the bars. He was tortured and then he was hung. Despite all the assurances. What happened to his daughter, we all know. 2 assassination attempts, and the second she was gunned down, shot in the head. Arnab, this is a criminal lunatic country. This Asim Munir, Mullah Asim Munir, seems to have gone stark raving mad. He had put Imran Khan behind jail, behind the bars. I thought that was sufficient
do you think
to
there
put
is
him out of
we are worried right now because Nawaz Sharif has issued a statement. He's saying Imran is not the lone criminal. Those who brought him to power were bigger criminals than he was. They should be fully accountable. So millions of Pakistanis who voted for Imran Khan, making him the single largest party, have all been described sometime back by Nawaz Sharif as criminals. And Nawaz Sharif wants to kill everyone, obviously, who voted for Imran Khan. Something's a matter of great concern right now. Uzma Kardar, has Imran Khan been killed? People across Pakistan are calling, asking whether he has been assassinated. If he is going to be assassinated, there will be a mass protest, an unstoppable protest across Pakistan. Imran Khan is a very popular leader. He's the leader of the largest party in Pakistan. If your government is about to kill him or has killed him, they must issue a statement to this effect. I don't think, so far, Abdul Samad Yaqub, do you even know whether Imran Khan is dead or alive? We don't know, right? We have no news.
Well,
there's a blackout.
Even the PMLN doesn't know itself. Imran Khan is not in their custody. Who says that Imran Khan is in the custody of this ruling party? We all know very much. It is very clear that Imran Khan is in the custody of someone, not this government, not this PMLN ruling party. We are concerned.
Whose custody? I repeat.
Whose
custody is he in, Abdul Samad Yaqub?
I think you should give me some airtime so that I can answer your question.
No, my question is simple.
Answer it.
Okay, you answer and I will have 2 people on air. I'll let General Bakshi go because General Bakshi has an appointment. So General Bakshi, thank you for joining us. First, let me say goodbye to General Bakshi. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Arnab, my time starts now. I don't know from where you get your cock and bull stories. You people are great at spinning stories, I think all of a sudden Imran Khan has become your blue-eyed, he's your pet, he's your favorite, you've fallen in love with Imran Khan. Well, Imran Khan is nowhere. He's irrelevant in our politics. He is serving a sentence in jail. He has been sentenced for 14 years of jail for what he has done. He was convicted by the court. For God's sake, we have a rule of law. We have a constitution. If you don't believe in your constitution and if you don't believe in the rule of law, that is not our problem. That is your problem.
But there are protests. People are on the roads. People are on the roads. People are marching towards Islamabad. If you kill him, there will be consequences.
Well, you have already killed him in your
I have not killed him.
It is all that.
I have not killed him, but he is not. People are anxious because he has not been seen for 3 weeks.
Imagination kind of news, this fabricated news, this propaganda. People live on propaganda.
Uzma, there is Amir Mughal who is joining us right now. What happened to him?
You live on fake news. There is no such news in our country. There is no such.
Then why are you hiding him?
Samar, can you remove the DV graphics for a while? Thank you. Don't be obsessed with it. Thank you. Please continue.
Why are you?
Said it thrice.
Why are you not letting his relatives, his lawyers meet him?
My opinion.
No.
Why are you denying the basic?
Why don't you let his family members meet him?
arbitrary way.
Why are you stopping his family members, lawyers and party members from meeting him? What is scaring you? What is holding you back? These are basic human rights. These are basic things. Has Pakistan stooped so low that you cannot even provide your own former Prime Minister a lawyer or let him meet his relatives? And देखें, इस बात पे शोर मचेगा. क्योंकि right now you will find an excuse to divert everything.
No, there is
avoid a war against Afghanistan. You will do everything.
1 minute, Uzma, can you, Uzma, are you deaf? Are you a deaf person?
So you
are you deaf, Uzma? Uzma, आप बहरी हैं क्या? आप deaf हैं क्या? Are you deaf?
Your generals. If you want,
I think she's deaf.
He doesn't. We will start calling him Chai Wala.
Ma'am, our simple question is, where is Imran Khan?
You know, so you learn to respect.
No, where is Imran Khan?
Respect our leadership.
Why were the letters from the medical doctors saying he is fallen very ill? Why was he not taken to the hospital so far?
He is not ill at all. You should see the statements of his sisters. They keep on saying, Alima Khan keeps on saying, Imran Khan is absolutely fit. Imran Khan is doing very well.
One minute. This is not back Imran, please. They are not backing Imran. Don't be crazy, top bands. This is not back Imran. I don't think Samar is backing Imran. 1 minute. The point is, Uzma, I'll have Uzma. Dr. Saeed Elahi is a former minister and a former member of parliament of Pakistan. Dr. Saeed Elahi, if I may come to you, Ishad Ahmad and Saeed Elahi. Dr. Saeed Elahi, please. Dr. Saeed Elahi, you have been a minister and you are a former legislator. You do agree the situation is very serious, because even if Imran Khan has not been killed, if he is not dead, the growing speculation is that he could have been killed. He has already complained that he is given harsh treatment. He is being physically tortured in jail. And he has also said very clearly that Asif Munir wants to kill him. And he has also said that the kind of cruelty that he has faced, no political leader's family has faced. But he has also said that no matter what Mullah Munir does, he will not bow down or...
You watch your mouth, Arnab.
I said Mullah Munir. What do you want me to call him? Patiala Peg?
Marshal like that.
Well, I mean, I just say that everyone knows he drinks a lot. Okay, so I don't know, but all I know is that he's a... What are you, his spokesperson? What are you, his spokesperson? Are you his spokesperson? We went around like a walking, talking American salesman. Every Pakistani knows you are a sold-out country with a sold-out...
He had all your Rafael scrap with him when he went to America.
I'm talking to a serious politician, not you. Okay. Dr. Saeed Elahi, my question is to you, sir. My question was that the growing speculation about a possible assassination of or an assassination attempt on Imran Khan, including news that he has been poisoned or he has been killed, happens at a time when he says that he is facing physical torture in jail. Now,
that is, I think that is totally wrong.
Why does the government, why does the government or the army not come out with a clarification about how he is?
Mr. Arnab, let me tell you one thing, that Mr. Imran is physically and mentally fine and safe in Adiala jail, number one.
Are you saying that on the basis of your... Dr. Elahi, thank you, 1 minute. Are you saying that on the basis of information or speculation or assumption?
On my information, because I am in Islamabad and I am watching that procession which is having few hundred people, watching everybody, because know a lot of people in the procession also. So first of all, Imran is mentally and physically fine and safe. All these speculations are bundle of lies, and I'm sorry, as a very senior journalist, you always tell a lie, I don't know why. And you spread all fake news, about Pakistan, about Imran Khan, he is in jail, and about meetings, the jail manual allows people to meet him after 15 days, but the court has ordered in this specific case that only those people will be allowed to meet Imran Khan who get permission from the court. And in this year, more than 120 people have met him.
Dr. Elahi, Dr.
times.
Elahi, I'm responding to you.
Yes.
Dr. Elahi, I'm responding to you. It is very sad that a person like you, as senior as you, though you are not as badly behaved as Uzma, but a person as senior as you, or a woman leader like Uzma does not feel bad that Mullah Munir has asked for Noreen Niazi to be beaten up. Noreen Niazi, stop showing your loyalty to Munir on my program. My question, can you take her off for a minute? I'm asking Dr. Elahi. Dr. Elahi, why has Noreen Niazi, Imran's sister, been beaten up? Is that because she wanted to meet Imran?
It happens when there is a law and order situation.
It happens that you beat her.
Even the lady police, now because people are sitting illegally, breaking section 144, so that's why.
What is wrong? Why are you so? One minute.
Women or men? They
Can
have
I
to
get
be
him
removed
back?
by police.
Amir Mughal is
the sister of the founder of
Mr. Elahi, you're getting a counter from Abdul Samad Yaqub. Ladies and gentlemen, top bands, please, visuals of Imran Khan. My team needs to start doing its job so I don't have to direct the program.
Jinnah was
Please.
the sister of the founder of the nation. Fatima Jinnah was the founder of the nation, and then the Field Marshal Ayub Khan. What did he did with the Fatima Jinnah? I mean, declared her a traitor. The similar behavior. These things have become the tradition of Pakistan. I mean, these are the shameful. I would call it disgraceful that Imran Khan's sisters are facing the similar treatment which Fatima Jinnah had faced. Now, how would you justify this?
With Brother Samad. I have all sympathies with Brother Samad, but the problem is that if somebody breaks law, blocks the road, they have to be removed by force. So in that
why are they protesting? Let me ask you this, Dr. Elahi. What are they protesting? Forget. Okay. 1 minute. What are they protesting? What are they protesting? What are they protesting for?
To release Imran Khan, which is not possible.
No.
He has been convicted.
1 minute. Please understand, Dr. Elahi, and don't lie so openly on my program. You are lying. You are lying because let me tell you, you shouldn't lie. You are lying right now because all that the Khan sisters, Imran Khan sisters wanted, ladies and gentlemen, was a meeting with their brother. They are saying we don't know how he is. We have not heard from him for 3 weeks, and in Pakistan,
he's a convicted criminal.
And in Pakistan,
and his sisters have met him thousands of times.
In Pakistan, political leaders are often killed in jail. It's a known fact. It's a known
Imran
fact.
is safe. Don't worry about him.
No, I am not worried about him. What is this circus?
You are his party.
No. Where is he?
He is fine. He is in the jail.
Where is he?
As a prisoner, he is enjoying all those facilities which are given to B-class prisoners. So he is there with all the facilities ordered by the court. And still
When was he last seen in public?
He's not allowed in the public.
When was
because
his
he has
last
trial in the
visual
jail.
image released?
His trial is being done in the jail.
When was
The
his
judge
last
goes
social
there.
media communication?
That's not by him.
When was he last allowed to meet his family members? When was the last time his family members met him?
His lawyer, Mr. Panjota, met him 2 weeks back.
What
And
happened?
even the
No, 3
court
weeks
now
back.
issue orders.
What happened after that for the last 3 weeks?
Because on his own application that he has life threat, the court has abandoned and protected him by prohibiting people to meet him other than they issue orders and they issue the name who can meet him.
No, you
Those
have.
orders
Why is he being treated as he and his lawyers are saying? His lawyers are saying that he's being treated worse than a rapist, a terrorist and a murderer, and he's been denied medical care. He's an elderly man. He's 74 years old, 75, though I must say he's 1,000 times more fit than that salesman Munir. But having said that, do you know what will happen if you kill him in Pakistan?
He will not be killed, rest assured.
Do you know what will happen if you kill him in Pakistan?
Nobody will kill him.
No, but Munir is trying to kill him. I have with me Amir Mughal, who's the national spokesperson of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf and also the president of the PTI in Islamabad. Mr. Mughal, can you hear me?
Rest assured, and I will also tell him that Imran Khan is safe himself.
Mr. Mughal, where is Imran Khan?
इलाही साहब का पूरा नाम क्या है?
हाँ, इलाही साहब का नाम है डॉक्टर सईद इलाही जी।
ओके जी, आप सवाल आप।
मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि बहुत स्पेकुलेशन हो रही है। उस्मा जी जरा 2 मिनट आप शांत रहें। कोई बात कर रहा है, मैं उनसे सवाल कर रहा हूं। आपको आदत है सबके ऊपर बोलने की, वो उनको बोलने दीजिए ना। आपसे शुरुआत की, इनकी लाइन 3 बार कट चुकी है ऑलरेडी। आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग यू। मुझे सवाल है, इमरान खान इंडिया के लीडर नहीं है, वो आदियाला जेल में है, पाकिस्तान में है।
सबको आजाद कर दें।
आप अरे अभी
सबको निकाल दें बाहर।
आप प्लीज 2 मिनट के लिए। मिस्टर मुगल, मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि ये स्पेकुलेशन हो रहा है कि इमरान खान कहाँ है, उनकी कंडीशन क्या है, उनसे फैमिली मेंबर्स को मिलाया क्यों नहीं जा रहा, वो मिले क्यों नहीं है, उनके सिस्टर्स पर एक्शन हुआ है, उनके सिस्टर्स कह रहे फिजिकल असॉल्ट हुई है। व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग ऑन द ग्राउंड, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से?
जी शुक्रिया। मैंने कुछ बातें सुनी है, उज़मा साहिबा की भी, उज़मा काज़ाद की भी और सईद इलाही साहब की भी, और मुझे अफसोस है ये दोनों टीवी चैनल पे बैठ के बिल्कुल सफेद झूठ बोल रहे हैं। सबसे पहली बात, इमरान खान किसी भी जुर्म पे कैद नहीं है, वो एक सियासी कैदी है और उन्हें इसलिए कैद किया गया है कि वो पाकिस्तान में जारी इस फस्तायत को मानने से, तस्लीम करने से इनकार कर रहे हैं। बाकी जो ये बात कर रहे हैं,
सईद इलाही को रखिए। डायरेक्टर्स प्लीज यार 2 विंडोज बनाइए और मुझे डायरेक्शन मत करवाइए प्लीज। आप बोलिए प्लीज, वॉल्यूम बढ़ाइए इनकी। जी बोलिए, प्लीज बोलिए। मुगल जी बोलिए। आई एम सॉरी।
जेल मैनुअल के मुताबिक मुलाकातें भी हो, उन्होंने 300 झूठे केसेस किए हैं, तो 300 किया कि जो शख्स होते हैं तो कम से कम तो 12 से इतनी तप्पड़ तो रखो कि उसको वकील करने की। दूसरी बात ये कह रहे हैं
मुगल जी आपकी लाइन बहुत खराब है। मुगल जी इफ यू कैन हियर मी, आमिर मुगल जी आपकी बैंडविड्थ खराब है, आपकी लाइन बहुत क्लियर है। मैं फिर से लाइन को रिस्टोर करके आपको वापस ला रहा हूं। बट अब्दुल समाद जी, कैन यू रिस्पॉन्ड टू व्हाट यू आर हियरिंग हियर from those who are supporting the ruling party?
Well, simply in simple word, in this context, I mean, Dr. Saab and Uzma Karzad is irrelevant. I mean, इनका कोई रोल नहीं है, इनके पास इमरान खान है नहीं, ना इनकी जेल में है, ठीक है। वो जिनके पास है वो ही मिलवा सकते हैं। अगर एक प्राइम मिनिस्टर जो है, अगर उसको सीएम केपी के कॉल करते हैं और प्राइम मिनिस्टर शहबाज शरीफ कहता है कि मैं पूछ कर बताता हूं, तो किससे पूछ कर बताता हूं? कर्नल से पूछ के बताता हूं जिसके पास अडयाला जेल है, ठीक है। तो ये इनकी तो ये हैसियत है कि भाई जब इनके पास है, इनसे मतलब डॉक्टर साहब की, मैं डॉक्टर सईद इलाही की बड़ी रिस्पेक्ट करता हूं, मेरे दोस्त हैं, मगर इनके बस में नहीं है। इमरान खान ना इनकी कस्टडी में है, ना इनके पास कोई एबिलिटी है उनको मिलवाने के लिए। और आमिर मुगल साहब इज, आई मीन, इज गोइंग थ्रू अ वेरी टफ टाइम। उनके ऊपर मल्टीपल केसेस है, उनके ऊपर मर्डर का केस है। आमिर मुगल साहब किसी ऐसी जगह पे होंगे जहां पे उनके कनेक्शन जो है वो सिग्नल्स उनको नहीं सही मिल रहे होंगे, तो इस वजह से वो ठीक से बात नहीं कर पाए आपके साथ। वो तो खुद एक बहुत बड़े मुश्किल से गुजर रहे हैं। तो अब ये कैसे
आमिर मुगल बैक,
मैं अब जवाब देना,
आप 2 मिनट इनकी बात सुनिए। देखिए, आई टेल यू वन थिंग, इरशाद जी, अगर आप, और ये हो सकता है क्योंकि पाकिस्तान में हो चुका है और सबको पता है कि पाकिस्तान की जो आर्मी है सबसे करप्ट है दुनिया में। मेजर जनरल नुसरत नईम, फॉर्मर डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ काउंटर इंटेलिजेंस ISI के थे। इनकी बहुत बड़ी कंपनी ब्रिटिश वर्जिन आइलैंड्स में मिली गई थी, है ना, करोड़ों के रुपए की फ्रॉड थी। लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल राजा नदीर परवेज मंत्री भी थे, उनकी भी कंपनी थी ब्रिटिश वर्जिन आइलैंड्स में, और ये सबको पता है। पाकिस्तान एयरफोर्स चीफ अब्बास खटाक, इनकी भी कंपनी है ब्रिटिश वर्जिन आइलैंड्स में। एक लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल रिटायर्ड हैं, उनकी बेटी के 2 अपार्टमेंट्स है लंदन के मेफेयर में। एक अपार्टमेंट जो है वहां पे पाकिस्तानी 50 से 100 करोड़ रुपए की अपार्टमेंट है, यानी कि 200 करोड़ रुपए की अपार्टमेंट्स है। तो डोंट टेल मी, आपको मैं एक्सपोज कर दूंगा पाकिस्तान में कितनी करप्शन है, कितना आप लोगों ने लूटा है। आप लूटिए, अभी मेरे को मतलब नहीं है, आप लुटेरे हैं, अलग बात है। मगर अगर आप इमरान खान को मार देंगे, या मारने की आपकी इंटरेस्ट है, या मारने की आपकी प्लानिंग है, या कुछ ऐसी कोशिश हो रही है कि आप उनको असैसिनेट करेंगे, तो ये समझ जाइए कि क्या लोग चुप रहेंगे पाकिस्तान में। ये बताइए, अब्दुल समाद याकूब जी को ये बताइए कि आप जो PTI की जो पब्लिक बेस है, सपोर्ट है, वो अभी भी तो है ना। आपने किसी को लॉकअप कर दिया, उसको मारा, उस पे केस कर दी, उसको असैसिनेट करने की कोशिश की, उसके बाद भी ये पार्टी अभी तक है क्या? पार्टी बंद हुई है? नहीं, पार्टी बंद हुई है ना। अब्दुल समाद याकूब अभी भी टीवी पर आ रहे हैं।
40 मिनट से
आमिर मुगल अभी भी बोल रहे हैं। अर्नब मत बोलिए। पाकिस्तान के लोग पूछ रहे हैं आपने क्या इमरान खान को मार डाला है? अगर मारने वाले हो, मार डाला है तो बता दीजिए, वी हैव किल्ड हिम। सी, यू डोंट इवन हैव द गट्स टू से दैट, बिकॉज यू नो, आपको पता है कि अगर आप इमरान खान को मार डालेंगे तो फिर आसिफ मुनीर को कोई छोड़ेगा नहीं।
बहुत देर से बोल रहे हैं, 1 मिनट मुझे दीजिएगा सिर्फ।
आप देखिए,
पाकिस्तान की,
मुझे मत बोलिए, आप अब्दुल समाद याकूब को बोलिए।
मैं आपको बोलूंगा, झूठे चैनल को बोलूंगा, अर्नब झूठे को बोलूंगा। मैं बोलूंगा कि पाकिस्तान की फौज अजीम तरीन फौज है दुनिया की, पहले तो ये याद रखिए।
अरे भाई, इमरान खान को मारा क्या? इमरान खान कहाँ है? आप फौज की चापलूसी यानी कि साइकोफेंसी मत कीजिए। इमरान खान कहाँ है बताइए? Where the hell is इमरान खान? आई एम आस्किंग यू, वेयर इज इमरान खान? वेयर इज इमरान खान?
जेल में है, अडियाला जेल में है। अभी जरा सुनिए,
Has he been killed?
कह रहे थे कि मेरे वजीर आजम कह रहे हैं कि मैं पूछ के बताऊंगा। वो भाई पूछ के बताएंगे। अडियाला जेल के
वॉल्यूम
जो भी लोग हैं, वहां इंतजामिया है, उनसे पूछेंगे कि आपका क्या ख्याल है अब्दुल समद, क्या वजीर आजम हाउस में रखा है इमरान खान को या प्रेसिडेंसी में रखा हुआ है? भाई अडियाला जेल की इंतजामिया से पूछ के बताएंगे वो। मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि इमरान खान जिंदा है,
उन्होंने कहा कि मैं पूछ कर बताऊंगा कि मुलाकात हो सकती है या नहीं हो सकती।
ये बिल्कुल वो अदालत बताएगी, वजीर आजम नहीं बताएगी।
Despite the CM has the court orders,
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि
कोर्ट ऑर्डर लेके जाता है मिलने के लिए इमरान खान से। आपकी तो अदालतें मजाक बन गई है, कोर्ट मजाक बन गया है, बदल का नाच है। कोई अदालत को नहीं मानने को तैयार यहाँ पे। आपका पुलिस वाला अदालत नहीं मानता।
आपको एक बात बताऊं,
फोन पे
जब से सुबह से प्रोपेगेंडा इंडिया का चल रहा है, बगैर तहकीक के इमरान खान को मारे खड़े हैं, और आप जैसे
डॉक्टर साहब मुझे एक बात बताएं, मैं कोर्ट ऑर्डर लेके आता हूँ, सुबह मेरी मुलाकात करवा दें।
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि ये तहकीक के बगैर बोल रहे हैं।
मेरी मुलाकात करवा दें, मैं कोर्ट ऑर्डर लेके आता हूँ।
ये हिंदुस्तान के चैनल चाहते हैं पाकिस्तान में दंगा फसाद हो जाए।
छोड़े हिंदुस्तान के चैनल को।
अब्दुल समाद
आप मुलाकात करवा।
अब्दुल समाद लाउडर।
पाकिस्तान के मीडिया पे कोई ऐसी बात आई जैसा कि हिंदुस्तान सुबह से कोशिश कर रहा है, क्या किसी
डॉक्टर साहब आप खत्म कर दें, हिंदुस्तान नहीं बोलेगा। आप मुलाकात करवा दें, आप इमरान खान से मिलवा दें तो खत्म हो जाएगी बात। सारी रूमर्स खत्म हो जाएंगी। इसमें क्या, अगर आप रूलिंग पार्टी आप मुलाकात करवा दें, कोई प्रोग्राम नहीं होगा। क्यों कर रहे हैं वो प्रोग्राम? क्यों रूमर्स फैल रही है? क्यों असैसिनेशन की बात हो रही है?
क्या सकता है हिंदुस्तान पे? तो मुझे तरस आता है, ये बेचारे बेबस।
आप ब्लेम करें हिंदुस्तान को, आप मुलाकात सुबह किसी की करवा दें, बहनों की मुलाकात, बहनों को ह्यूमिलिएट आप कर रहे हैं, इंसल्ट आप कर रहे हैं, डंडे आप बरसा रहे हैं और ब्लेम करें इंडिया को। मतलब कुछ तो डॉक्टर साहब, कुछ तो कोई तो वैल्यूज को कैरी कर लें। मुलाकात इमरान खान की बहनों के साथ जो सलूक हुआ वो आपने किया, पुलिस ने अरेस्ट किया वो आपने किया, वो आपकी पुलिस थी या इंडिया की पुलिस थी?
वो प्रॉक्सी बन गया इंडिया की पीटीआई जो है, इसीलिए आप।
अच्छा, मैं प्रॉक्सी बन गया हूँ, डंडे आप पर जा रहे हैं, प्रॉक्सी मैं हूँ, अरेस्ट आपने किया होगा, प्रॉक्सी में
बाहर लगे हैं। आपका जो वाइस चीफ, आपका जो एयरफोर्स का चीफ है इंडियन, उसने खुद कहा है कि करप्शन इतनी ज्यादा हो गई है।
भाई आपने आना है यहाँ पे, आपने आके अपनी फौज की तारीफ करनी है, तो मैं क्या कहूँगी, प्रॉक्सी है
वो पहुंचती, वो कंप्लीट।
पहले तो फेक न्यूज मत कीजिए हमारे एयरफोर्स चीफ को लेकर। यू लायर उस्मा, पुटिंग फेक न्यूज ऑन द प्रोग्राम, यू फेक न्यूज स्प्रेडर।
अग्नि मिसाइल जो है,
अरे कीप क्वाइट। अरे वेयर इज इमरान खान यार? Where is Imran Khan? Why don't you tell him where is Imran Khan? You're scared of him. Okay, I want to bring in Major Nadeem. Major Nadeem, what do you think about this? Major Nadeem, where do you stand on the mysterious disappearance of Imran Khan?
Whatsoever you people are talking here against Imran Khan or pro Imran Khan, I would definitely suggest the government that can very easily end the speculation by permitting their sisters to meet him just now. Okay, if they bring the court orders, the government can very easily end this speculation by allowing them to meet their brothers. उनको आप allow कर दें.
Volume of her down, his up. Can't you understand?
And moreover, whatsoever is happening in Pakistan, political victimization should not be there. Their sisters, they are ladies, they are elders, they should be treated with respect, irrespective whether it is 144 is there and they are blocking the road, but they are the sisters of an ex-prime minister. They should be given proper respect. Moreover, it is not in the custody of Imran Khan, is not in a military custody. He is in police custody. He is very much alive, safe and secure, and he is in Adiala jail. And government now should reconciliate and now to allow their sisters to meet him and allow their leaders also. I don't think so it will have any negative consequences for the government, and it will go against the government of Pakistan policies, right? So it is basically government is unnecessarily rising the tension, and it might go against the government also. So in my opinion, there should be reconciliation and they should allow their sisters to meet their brothers to end the speculation. And I have already assured you that he is alive, he is secure, and he is not in the custody of our military. He is in the custody of police.
In jail, she was handcuffed. She was handcuffed by Prime Minister Imran Khan. This is what he has been doing. So much respect he shows for daughters and sisters. She was in her hotel room in Karachi with her husband.
Was handcuffed. You were the one victimizing her. You should admit the fact. You were the part of the PTI. तब आप बंगड़े डाला करती थी वहां पे कंटेनर के ऊपर. तब जो है आप गवर्नमेंट का हिस्सा थी, गवर्नमेंट एंजॉय कर रही थी. तब आप पंजाब गवर्नमेंट की मेंबर थी, ठीक है. उस वक्त आपको सब अच्छा लग रहा था. उस वक्त आपको नवाज शरीफ भी अच्छा लग रहा था जेल में. वो और क्या कहा आपने? मरियम का ऊपर वाला डब्बा खाली है, आपका ऊपर वाला डब्बा खाली है. आपका ऊपर वाला डब्बा खाली. You are a psychopath.
Go to the court, get orders, and meet Imran Khan.
I have a court order. Can you facilitate my meeting with Imran Khan tomorrow? I will give you the court order.
Release all the convicted criminals in India and let them go free. Let them go free.
Samar.
You don't believe in the rule of law.
No, but the moot point is where is he? At the end of 45 minutes of debate, ladies and gentlemen, people are getting concerned that Imran Khan has been killed. Can someone silence her audio for a bit? Pull her audio down for a bit. Samar. Samar, this is increasing speculation. We are told the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Chief Minister, along with 5 members of his party, will try once again to meet him tomorrow. Now,
the biggest threat at present for Mullah Munir and his power is Imran Khan. And God forbid, इरशाद जी मैं आपको वार्निंग दे रहा हूं, अगर गलती से भी जो तहरीके लद्दाख पाकिस्तान के साथ आपने जो गुस्ताखी की है, वो अगर आप तहरीके इंसाफ पीटीआई के साथ आपने ये गलती कर बैठे, मैं बता रहा हूं, आप जब बैठे हो आपका घर भी चलेगा, आपके कारोबार भी चलेंगे, पूरा पाकिस्तान चलेगा। इसलिए खुदा ना खास्ता गलती से भी अगर इमरान खान को कुछ हुआ, गलती से कुछ हुआ, कुदरत कुछ हो गया,
audio is not clear. इरशाद
इकट्ठे मिलके ऐसे मुनीर क्या हर एक पाकिस्तान
I can't hear either. So audio is bad. I'm not getting help from the production team. I'm getting Abdul Samad back on the debate. These audio lines should be checked before my program. I am getting concerned now, Abdul. If you ask me, Abdul Samad, I am getting concerned because
it's a matter of a grave concern.
Because you see the situation is like this, that every single day, hour that you are concealing information, not letting the people of Pakistan see a picture of Imran Khan or release a statement about Imran Khan's physical condition. And if anybody from his family asks to see him, you arrest the person, you beat up the person. That means dal mein kuch kala hai. That's what.
कुछ नहीं है.
That means dal mein kuch kala hai. Abdul Samad Yaqub, I worry from that perspective.
मैं मेजर समर पाल की बात को इंडोर्स करूंगा कि अगर गॉड फॉरबिड नेचुरली भी अगर कुछ हो जाता है जेल में, तो ये स्टेट ये बर्डन जो है बेयर नहीं कर सकेगी. स्टेट को अंदाजा रियलाइज नहीं हो रहा. मैं समरपाल की बात को इसलिए इंडोर्स करूंगा कि पब्लिक सेंटिमेंट को आप इस तरीके से कंटेन नहीं कर सकते. अल्टीमेटली उनका मोस्ट पॉपुलर लीडर जब बेनजीर मरी थी, तो तब पाकिस्तान कप्पे का नारा अगर जरदारी ना लगाता तो पता नहीं कि स्टेट का क्या फेट होता. डॉक्टर साहब, आप सियासत को छोड़ें, रियासत बचाएं. हम आपसे कहते हैं रियासत बचाएं. ये हुकूमत आनी जानी चीज है.
मैं रियासत की बात कर रहा हूं, मैं लोगों की बात कर रहा हूं, अपने लोगों की बात कर रहा हूं.
जो पब्लिक सेंटिमेंट है वो बहुत अगेंस्ट जा चुका हुआ है. खुदा ना खास्ता कोई ऐसा जो आपकी स्टेट अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकती.
कुछ नहीं होगा पाकिस्तान को. पाकिस्तान का कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता.
ये 71 में भी यही कहते थे, 71 में आप यही कहते थे कि कुछ नहीं होगा. बुख्ती को जब कत्ल किया तब भी यही कहते थे कुछ नहीं होगा. बुख्ती के कत्ल के बाद आज तक बलूचिस्तान नहीं समझ पाया. ये माइंडसेट है आपका. ये माइंडसेट जो है ये नहीं बदल रहा. इसको बदलने की जरूरत है. खान रहे ना रहे, क्या
बदल चुका. पाकिस्तान से दहशतगर्दी खत्म हो चुकी, इंशाल्लाह खात्मे के करीब है. हिंदुस्तान जो चाहता है वो होगा नहीं. हिंदुस्तान बहुत कोशिश कर रहा है कि पाकिस्तान में तबाही हो जाए, नहीं होगी.
साहब, आप अपने पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मार रहे हैं. हिंदुस्तान नहीं, आप अपने पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मार रहे हैं. ब्लेम करते हैं इंडिया को. बंगालियों पे जुल्म किया आपने, ब्लेम कर दिया इंडिया को. ये बात क्यों नहीं समझ आ रही है आपको? बुख्ती को आपने कत्ल किया कि इंडिया ने कत्ल किया? ड्रोन अटैक केपीके में आप करेंगे कि इंडिया कर रहा है? क्यों नहीं समझ आ रही ये बात कि अपनी गलतियों का सेहरा, अपनी ब्लेम गेम किसी और पे कुछ नहीं होगा उससे.
का ड्रामा रचाया, फिर उसके बाद जहर का ड्रामा रचाया, आप उसके बाद फिर एक वीडियो का ड्रामा रचाया कि एक वीडियो हमने रखी हुई है, उसमें बताएंगे किसने इमरान खान को मारा. अब एक और ड्रामा रचा
बताएंगे ना आपको. वो रखी हुई है, वो रखी हुई है. वो सारी स्टेटमेंट्स हैं. डरे उस वक्त से, डरे उस वक्त से कि जब आप ये घर में नहीं बैठेंगे इस तरह से, ना आपका घर सलामत बचेगा, ना ऊपर वाला डब्बा सलामत बचेगा आपका. शुक्र करें हम सलामत हैं तो आप सलामत हैं. हम सलामत है तो आप सलामत हो.
इररिलेवेंट है आपकी कोई.
ये ना कहिएगा कि मैं थ्रेट कर रहा हूँ आपको.
तो अब आपको इंडिया
मेजर समर पाल की बात को समझ लें।
रिपब्लिक टीवी की
मेजर समर पाल ने जो कहा उसको समझ लें, वो आपके लिए एडवाइस है, वो
चाय वाला का
उसको सुने और समझें।
रिपब्लिक टीवी क्योंकि वो सारा दिन उनका रॉ का प्रोपेगेंडा जो है उसको चलाना पड़ता है। अगर ये
आप क्या करने आती हैं?
रॉ का प्रोपेगेंडा
आती है यहाँ पे? अच्छा, आप क्यों बैठी हैं रिपब्लिक पे?
नहीं चलाएगा
भाई,
उनका क्या
अपना रिपब्लिक पे
बंद हो जाएगी।
क्यों आती हैं आप?
उनकी बिक्री बंद हो जाएगी।
क्यों बैठी?
अगर इतना ही
उस्मा स्पीकिंग अगेंस्ट रिपब्लिक टीवी से आपको कुछ नहीं होने वाला है। आप रिपब्लिक मीडिया नेटवर्क भारत का सबसे बड़ा नेटवर्क है, था और रहेगा। मगर आप बताइए इमरान खान कहाँ है?
14 साल की जेल
इमरान खान कहाँ है?
आपने नहीं करवाई, कोर्ट ने कन्विक्ट किया है।
I'm not getting a reply tonight. It's so worrying.
Corruption that he did during his
Every
time.
single moment that a reply does not come, the people of Pakistan are more concerned. And today on my program,
he has to follow the jail rules.
Even Major Nadeem is saying that please let his family members meet him. He's your former prime minister. For God's sake, you'll hang him. You'll poison him. People will not know what's happened. He was your former cricket captain.
Ma'am, even if something happens to him naturally,
I think they have a different plan on him. Either they have killed him, Samar, or they have a plan to kill him.
Also,
I'm trying to tell them, please understand, he is such a powerful figure. Even if
live on fake news, all you can do, you can live on propaganda.
Your audio is not clear. The producer should have checked your audio before the program. Major Nadeem, I'm not getting a reply. Lot of talk, but no statement. Major Nadeem, no statement. Louder, Major Nadeem, down for Uzma. Audio control, production team.
Imran Khan is very much safe and secure under police custody inside the Adiala jail. He is safe and sound.
But let his family members meet him then. Abdul Samad Yaqub, he's saying that he's safe and secure. On the right hand side, put him and put on right hand side, Abdul, left hand side. For God's sake, Major Nadeem on the right and him on the left. Producers.
There should not be any political victimization, right? Their sisters should be treated respectfully, should be given permission to meet him. I think nothing will happen. Nothing will happen.
No, you can't say nothing will happen. Listen,
Yes.
Major Nadeem. One second, Major Nadeem. You are a different, you must understand, you are a different kind of country. 1 minute. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. You are a different kind of country. You have a field marshal for life. You have a person who has made Nawaz Sharif sit there like a puppet, like a rat, and in a complete dictator has received a lifetime immunity from any criminal prosecution or judicial review for anything he may do, which means tomorrow he may take a gun and shoot Imran Khan, but you can't do anything about it. And do you think, don't be stupid, Major Nadeem, 1 second, don't be stupid, you know, 1 minute, Major Nadeem, I'm sorry, let me tell you this, if Asif Munir wants, he can pick you up from your house and assassinate you, and he can say, I did it because I felt like. You can't do anything about it. Your family members can't do anything about it. You have not understood. You have 1 minute, sir. Allow me to complete. Sir, let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing. There is no country in the world, not even an African nation, where a person has given himself the authority and immunity from criminal prosecution and judicial review, which means he is not accountable to the courts of Pakistan. He is not accountable. He is not. 1 minute, let me complete, sir. Let me complete. Okay. You people sitting there are too close. You don't realize. He is not accountable to the courts of Pakistan. He is not accountable to the Assembly of Pakistan. He is not accountable to the Constitution of Pakistan. He has torn apart your Constitution. He has established a level of personal and military control which has never been seen before. He has basically held himself highest and much higher than the Supreme Court of Pakistan. You have a new federal constitutional court with exclusive jurisdiction over defense and security matters. He will decide what is a defense and security matter. Plus, your navy is subordinate to your army. Your air force is subordinate to your army. Your nuclear authority is entirely in the hands of a man who is dictator for life of your country. You may be sitting in Pakistan and you may think कि सब कुछ ठीक है. 1 minute. ये 1 minute. You may think. Let me complete. You may think today सब कुछ ठीक है, कुछ नहीं होगा. नाम के वास्ते हमारे पास पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज है. उज़्मा करदार खुश है. But you must realize your country is finished. Your country is finished. Now let me also tell you this. If, and God forbid, if he kills Imran Khan, Abdul Samad, mark my words today. If he kills Imran Khan, you cannot do, if he even publicly kills him, if he shoots him in public view, if he hangs Imran Khan in public view, you and your Supreme Court can do nothing about it. ये reality है पाकिस्तान की. ये reality है पाकिस्तान की. हिम्मत नहीं है आपको इसके बारे में बात करने के लिए. हिम्मत नहीं है आपको इसके बारे में बात करने के लिए. बिके हुए हैं आप सब लोग, बिके हुए हैं. You're all sold out.
And you are our field marshal is the hero.
Anyway, I've said what I had to, and ladies and gentlemen, when I'm back, I'm going to tell the Pakistanis how stupid they are in trying to put out a statement against the Dhwajarohan ceremony of the Bhavya Ram Mandir. This is ridiculous. They actually did that. When I'm back.
Time for a quick breather. Arnab will be right back with the debate.
ये है सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिप जल जीरा मसाला. सिप जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप.